The kind of mindset that keeps you broke isn't always glaringly obvious. In fact, it often operates silently in the background, influencing your decisions, attitudes, and habits without you even realizing it. But if you feel like you're always living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to get ahead financially, or constantly worrying about money, there's a good chance your mindset could be part of the problem. Let's break it down and identify the specific thought patterns and beliefs that could be holding you back and how to change them. One of the most damaging mindsets is thinking, "I deserve it now." This belief pushes people into instant gratification, buying that new gadget, dining out frequently, or upgrading their lifestyle without actually having the financial means to sustain it. While rewarding yourself occasionally is fine, consistently prioritizing short-term pleasures over long-term stability is a recipe for financial stagnation. To combat this, develop the habit of delaying gratification. Ask yourself, will this purchase still matter to me in a month or a year? If the answer is no, it's probably not worth it. Another harmful mindset is "I'm just not good with money." This self-defeating belief gives you a free pass to avoid learning how to manage your finances. Thinking that money management is something only financial experts or math whizzes can handle is completely false. Money management is a skill anyone can learn, and it starts with small steps like tracking your expenses or setting up automatic savings. If this mindset resonates with you, remind yourself that no one is born financially savvy. It's a skill you develop over time with consistent effort. Another mindset that keeps people broke is the "I'll never have enough to start saving" mentality. Many people believe that unless they're earning a high salary, there's no point in putting money aside. But the truth is, saving is less about the amount and more about the habit. Even $1 a day adds up over time. Small, consistent actions build momentum. Automate your savings, even if it's just 2 to 5% of your paycheck, and watch how quickly it grows. Then there's the "I work hard, so I deserve to spend" mindset. Rewarding yourself is important, but overindulgence can lead to overspending and financial stress. This thinking often leads people to spend recklessly after payday, leaving them scrambling at the end of the month. Instead, set intentional rewards like budgeting a specific amount for treating yourself while ensuring your savings and bills are covered first. The "I'll always have debt" mindset is another common trap. Some people view debt as an inevitable part of life, but that belief keeps them stuck in a cycle of minimum payments and rising interest. To break free, prioritize paying off high-interest debt first, like credit cards, using the snowball or avalanche method. And remember, every extra dollar you pay toward your debt is a step closer to freedom. Another toxic belief is "money is too complicated for me." This mindset creates a mental block that prevents people from learning basic financial skills. Managing money doesn't have to be intimidating. Start small by educating yourself. Read one article, watch one video, or listen to one podcast a week on personal finance. The more you learn, the more confident you'll feel. "I can't say no to people asking for money" is a mindset that keeps many people broke. While generosity is admirable, constantly bailing out others, friends, family, or even acquaintances at the expense of your own financial health is unsustainable. Learn to set boundaries. You can say no kindly but firmly. For example, "I'm focusing on my financial goals right now, so I can't help this time." There's also the "money is evil" mindset. Many people grow up with the belief that wanting wealth makes them greedy or selfish, so they subconsciously sabotage their own financial growth. Here's the truth: money itself is neutral. It's a tool that reflects the intentions of the person who wields it. In the right hands, money can create opportunities, solve problems, and bring joy to others. Reframe your thinking to view money as a resource that amplifies your values rather than something inherently bad. "I'll start saving when I make more money" is another common mindset trap. This belief assumes that your financial problems are solely income-related, but here's the thing: if you can't save $50 from $500, you won't magically save $500 when you earn $5. It's not about how much you make, it's about how disciplined you are with what you have. Start small, even if it's just setting aside $5 a week. Building the habit is more important than the amount. The "I'm too busy to manage my money" mindset is another sneaky culprit. In reality, managing your finances doesn't require hours of effort. With apps, automation, and simple systems, you can track your spending, pay bills, and save without it consuming your life. If you feel too busy, block off just 30 minutes a week to check your financial health. That small investment of time can save you significant stress and money in the long run. Some people stay broke because of the "I have to keep up" mindset. This is where you fall into the comparison trap, spending money to match the lifestyle of others, whether it's friends, family, or influencers on social media. But remember, people rarely show their full financial picture. They might have debt, stress, or financial struggles you don't see. Focus on your goals, not theirs, and live within your means, even if it means saying no to certain social pressures. Another mindset that keeps you broke is "I can't invest because I don't know enough." Many people fear investing because it seems complicated or risky. But here's the reality. Waiting until you feel 100% ready means you'll probably never start. The truth is, you can begin with small, simple steps like investing in low-cost index funds or using beginner-friendly platforms. The earlier you start, the more you benefit from the power of compound interest, so don't let fear hold you back. The "money will solve all my problems" belief is also dangerous. While money can certainly provide comfort and security, it doesn't automatically fix bad habits or poor decision-making. If you lack discipline or have a spending problem, more money will just magnify those issues. Focus on building strong financial habits first, like budgeting, saving, and mindful spending so that when more money comes your way, you're prepared to handle it responsibly. Let's not forget the "I'll figure it out later" mindset. Procrastinating on financial planning is a major reason people stay broke. Whether it's delaying saving for retirement, putting off paying down debt, or avoiding creating a budget, procrastination compounds over time. Start small, but start now. Even imperfect action is better than waiting for the perfect time, which rarely exists. Some people are stuck in a victim mindset, believing, "The system is rigged, so what's the point?" While it's true that some financial systems and structures create barriers, dwelling on this belief only disempowers you. Focus on what you can control, like increasing your skills, networking, or finding creative ways to earn and save. Shifting your mindset from victim to problem solver can open doors you didn't think were possible. Lastly, there's the mindset of "I'll never be rich, so why bother?" This defeatist attitude ensures that you'll stay exactly where you are. Believing in your ability to create wealth is the first step to actually achieving it. Wealth isn't just for people who inherit money or have Ivy League degrees. It's for those who consistently make smart choices, take calculated risks, and stay committed to their goals. Changing your mindset takes time, but the payoff is worth it. Start by identifying which of these thought patterns resonate with you and commit to replacing them with empowering beliefs. For example, instead of saying, "I can't afford this," try saying, "How can I afford this?" That simple shift encourages problem solving and opens up possibilities. Remember, your mindset shapes your reality. The sooner you address and reframe these limiting beliefs, the faster you can build the financial future you deserve.